Welcome back. Let's face it, prompting doesn't always go smoothly. In this video, we'll highlight common prompting mistakes and how to fix them. Here are some of the top issues. Vagueness. A prompt that is too vague may result in unintended output. For example, a vague prompt would be something like writing a summary. Better would be summarize the following in 3 sentences using a professional tone. Note we've added context and tone to our initial instruction. Related to vagueness is underspecification, where we don't provide enough to get the output we desire. Our solution is to add more, like a role, format, or further constraints. We also need to watch out for overloading the prompt. We don't want to ask too many things at once. It might be better to split into smaller tasks or to use prompt chaining. So there's a trade-off between overloading a prompt and underspecification. Our task is to find that sweet spot. Another mistake that people make is poor formatting. This could be either for the prompt itself or in specifying the format for the output. So in your prompt, you can improve by using line breaks, bullet points, or delimiters to clarify structure. One pro tip, the chatbots themselves sometimes make it hard to format your prompt like you want. I often write the prompt first in a text editor until I'm happy with the format of the prompt, then I paste it into the user interface of the model itself. It could be that just parts of your prompt are vague. For example, one mistake is to have unclear examples in few-shot prompts. So be consistent and ensure that your examples follow the exact format and quality that you expect. Related to overloading the prompt, we could have token overload. Recall that many models have a limit on how many tokens you can expect. This could change depending on how much you pay to use the model. So keep in mind that long prompts might be cut off. Try to be efficient. Use shorter text or limit your context length. Good prompting is iterative. When the model fails, revise the prompt. Don't just retry. Try to be precise and clear. These are your best tools, but also respect any limits on tokens and tasks that a prompt can perform.